Hey, hope you guys doing well. Here's my second review with the modifications that I done. Okay, I have changed the bar to a 4-spray professional sprayer bar from Whisper Wash. It is a little smaller here, but that's good because it gives more space for the suction to work better with all the water that I'm using. So right now I'm doing this pool deck, and this is a saltwater pool, and the owner specifically told me that he doesn't want any water getting on the pool because it will mess up his system. So I'm using this change, I made the changes in the perfect time, so it's working pretty good for me here. No water whatsoever is getting left behind. As you guys can see, it's getting pretty dry as soon as I finish. This is nice. I gotta just go over and detail all the edges and spray inward so I don't get anything on the pool here. So you can see the huge difference that it's doing here. It's working way faster than how it comes from the guys that's selling it. So these are the modifications that I did. I've changed the spray gun for the spray gun in the arm for the one that I have for another surface cleaner that I have in my home. So I put the different spray gun because this one is rated for I think it's like 10 gallons or 12 gallons per minute, 4,000 psi. The one that comes with the machine, it's only for 6 gallons per minute. So I made this T here to spray on the suction thing. So if I don't need to use the suction, I can do it with just a regular surface cleaner, letting the water get everywhere. If I want to do it with the suction, like around the pool deck here that I'm doing, I can just turn this on and it'll be just the suction, and it will keep sucking it until I turn it off. The way it was before, if I let go the trigger, the suction would stop. Now it's working always, unless if I turn it off. So I have it dumping right here. So it's dumping right there. As soon as I press the trigger, it will continue sucking the water. So like under there, I didn't have to use any suction. So I took the hose off because it's kind of hard to deal with this hose. It gets heavy. So if you don't have to use the suction, it works better that way. So I put a little plug here to cover it up, and I made a line straight up. I added a filter here because the spray that's inside is very tiny. So this is working much better now. So here's so when I turn it on, that's how it goes. Now I can go pretty fast because I got a spray bar with 4 jets on it, so I can do this really fast, but with one hand it's kind of hard, but you can see the difference there. So see, it gets nice and dry. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. I'll have to let it go because the vacuum hose gets really heavy once it's filled with water, but you get the point. As you can see, it gets it nice and clean.